Ahoy there, my scurvy and lace-ridden brethren, and welcome back to Let's Play Return to Monkey Island. This be your host, Sensei Starman. And last time you'll recall, we left off as we were in the midst of returning a book to the governor of Melee Island, having just figured out a way to get back the book that we had borrowed and loaned to the cook.
It's a cookbook. It has 4 stars, but it looks like they're for difficulty.
Wait your turn!
Haha, I don't wait for nothing. I'm a pirate.
Thank you.
It looks like you tried to cook the book instead of the recipe. Oh well, I should be thankful I'm getting it back at all. Next time you can just put it in the bookshelf yourself.
Next time, implying that I will in fact be getting another book.
Note to the reader. No disguised secrets are revealed in this book. I tried to read that once, but I couldn't finish it. Can I borrow this book?
Fine.
Thanks. I won't let you down. I'll definitely return this.
Particularly because I'm planning on reading it right here.
I tried to read this once, but I couldn't finish it. Thank you.
Thanks for returning my book.
Warning. Do not try these tricks at home. Can I borrow this book?
Fine.
Warning. Do not try these tricks at home. Does not include Secret of Monkey Island. Oh. Can I borrow this book?
Fine.
Does not include Secret of Monkey Island. It's thicker than I would have imagined.
That's what she said.
Can I borrow this book?
Fine.
Yeah, I know that was beneath me, but gosh darn it.
It's stupid Captain Madison's book. Note to the reader. No disguised secrets are revealed in this book. Can I borrow this book?
Fine.
The blurb says it's a solid if somewhat predictable story about a roguish pirate and a doomed romance with a woman of station. Can I borrow this book?
Fine.
Haha! I finally got a chance to read this.
The blurb says it's a solid if somewhat predictable story about a roguish pirate and a doomed romance with a woman of station.
And you know, just for the heck of it,
Hi there.
Hello.
okay, it won't let me randomly switch the books, just to see if I can.
Don't get any funny ideas while I'm away from the ship.
No problem. I'll pretend I'm one of the writers.
Badum.
Comfy?
When is my lunch break as mandated by the Figureheads Guild?
Did you just make that up?
A good guild starts with an idea.
Say, you're not still spying for Madison, are you?
Our alliance ended when she had me dropped from a precipice.
I know, I just had this sudden weird idea that might have been a setup.
Your paranoia is exceeded only by your oafishness.
Keep up the good work, Murray.
I tire of your prattle.
Keep up the good work, Murray.
I tire of your prattle.
Alright. Time to set sail, and I don't think we can avoid Terror Island anymore. Oh, the heck we can't.
That's where all the driftwood goes during driftwood mating season.
Hi. Did you happen to feel the earthquake while you were on Monkey Island?
I think I was right at the epicenter.
Yes, I think you were.
Could you come to the ice quarry on Brrr Muda to talk with Stan about your pamphlet?
Oh no, I couldn't possibly go there. Bad optics. He'll have to come here.
It's a prison, though. Him not leaving is sort of the main idea.
How long till he's out?
A month.
That's not so bad.
Are you sure you can't come talk to Stan at the ice quarry?
Absolutely sure. He'll have to come here.
Okay. Love you.
You too.
Yeah, and I was hoping that maybe the accountant would show up here. But I'm 90% sure he's going to be on Terror Island because that would just be, you know, way too convenient. Well, I did just have one idea. I don't have a sworn affidavit, but...
Order in the court! I will have order! Do not waste this court's time by submitting incompetent, irrelevant, and immaterial evidence.
May I approach the bench, Your Honor?
You may approach the bench.
Your Honor, may I inquire about the case of Everyone v. Stan?
Sales and marketing people at the case, if their court is a...
Okay, so I do actually need to find the accountant and get an affidavit. But as long as we're here, we can finally resolve the whole thing of what to do with the fish eating contest, I think. Oh, that was not the fish eating contest.
Challenge.
In the defender's chair, the cast iron stomach of Othina the Ninth, reigning Queen of Brrr Muda, and undisputed heartiness champion! And in the challenger's chair, all the way from the Southern Caribbean, still in possession of nearly all of his original teeth, the newcomer, Guybrush Threepwood, Esquire. If you would each now select your first fish and place it on the plate in front of you. You will also need a fish.
It's filled with toadfish and demon pepper.
Mr. Threepwood,
I should have
we are
taken
waiting
one.
for you to place your
Yeah.
fish on the plate. And now,
This may be a bit spicy.
let the eating commence.
Okay, obviously I have to add the pepper after.
Well, it seems that both contestants are having some trouble. I declare this contest a draw. Contestants may now seek medical attention if they so desire.
Okay. Whoop. So let us go get some fresh, non-spicy fish.
Hello.
Can I trade in my fish for some other ones?
Always happy to take a trade. Today we've got hagfish, toadfish, slanghead, bloater, and lumpsucker. What'll it be?
A new box of toadfish.
I'll put it on your tab.
Thanks.
Alright.
Today's contest of hardiness will feature toadfish.
If you would each now select your first fish and place it on the plate in front of you. Please take a fish.
It's filled with toadfish. Ugh. This looks like a good one, relatively speaking.
And now, let the eating commence!
Oh, feels like it's wiggling in my throat.
Ladies and gentlemen, the winner and still champion, Queen Odina.
It's basically a lifetime supply.
Alright, so I put some fish in the bucket.
It's filled with toadfish.
And I still have some in my inventory.
That ought to give it some zip.
If you would each now select your first fish and place it on the plate in front of you. And now, let the eating commence!
Two bites? That's more than she ate, right? I can stop now?
Yes, you can stop if you like. Ladies and gentlemen, your new champion of hardiness with 2 bites to the Queen Squad is Mr. Threepwood!
Alright, well that's...
One contest down, 2 to go.
I was about to say that. Meanwhile...
You found it like this?
It was over 200 years old. It's the only one on the island. An irreplaceable natural resource. What are we supposed to do with it now? Make two thanks?
How many people besides yourself even know the location of this tree?
Not many at all. I did tell someone about it just recently, but...
But what? Who was it?
Well, coincidence.
Oh, hell.
Ladies and gentlemen, for your viewing pleasure, we present, for only the 11th time this week, the contest of seriousness.
Hey, who did it the first 10 times?
On this side, the reigning queen, Odina the Ninth of Brrr Muda. And on this side, the challenger, Guybrush Threepwood, Esquire, currently unemployed and of no fixed address. If you will all come to order, the contest will begin. The first contestant to laugh is the loser.
Have you heard the one about the guy who put an ice cube on a scurvy dog? He said it was chilly.
Is that the best you've got? What's the difference between a swabby and a mop?
Heard it. You might as well give up. I have heard every joke there is in this world.
Contestants, the time limit has been reached. As neither of you has laughed, the contest is a draw.
See ya.
Every joke in the world, eh? That gives me an idea.
This is certainly exciting.
It's technically illegal to do piracy without a flag. It's chained to my ship. Sea Monkey 2. Everybody loves a sequel. Watch out below! Hey Murray, anything on the horizon?
Only your eventual ultimate obliteration.
Okay, so we can stop this pretty much anywhere, it looks like. Neat.
I'll make this quick. I don't know when LeChuck's coming back. Are you finished with the joke book yet?
Emotionally, yes. It's not that long, and I've read it 16 times already.
Can I have the joke book back?
Then what am I supposed to read?
You said you were finished. You've read it 16 times.
It's boring reading it over and over, but it's better than nothing.
Hang in there, Bob.
Still not funny.
Hey, Bob, I've got a great book for you. It seems relatable. It's At the End of the Plank.
Oh, I read that with my book club. It's a mediocre story about a roguish pirate and a doomed romance with a woman of station. The ending's no good.
That seems oddly prophetic. Okay, well, he wants something that's long and endless. I think I've got just the book for him.
Hey!
I tried to read that once, but I couldn't finish it. Can I borrow this book?
Fine, fine.
Alright.
Hey, Bob, would you like to read this book? It's about a voyage that never ends.
Sounds interesting. And long. Here's your joke book back.
Alright. So now they have the joke book back.
If you will all come to order, the contest will begin. The first contestant to laugh is the loser.
What do you call a pirate with 12 swords? Whatever he wants you to.
Is that the best you've got? What did the demon say when he stepped on a pitchfork? Ow!
I've never heard that one before.
Ladies and gentlemen, the winner is Guybrush Threepwood.
Where did you get that book? I'm confiscating this.
Only one more contest to go.
Welcome, Your Majesty and Mr. Threepwood, to the contest of intelligence. In front of each of you is an advanced algebra problem. You are to solve it as completely as you can, and remember to show your work. No peeking, no copying, no swapping papers, and no cheating whatsoever. I will return in 20 seconds to grade your papers. Your time starts now.
Here's an idea. Okay, I can't use the advanced math stuff on this.
I don't have the slightest idea how to solve an algebra. I have no idea what that says.
Time's up. I'll take your papers. No surprises here. Queen Odina has delivered a clear and correct answer with a step-by-step proof. Mr. Threepwood appears to have copied parts of several unrelated equations from the blackboard. Queen Odina is the winner.
Better luck next time.
Yeah, I didn't have much hope of that working, but yeah, I get the feeling we need to track down the accountant after all, which means, unfortunately, can't put it off any longer. We're going to have to go to Terror Island. Read the sign.
Death waits for all who enter. I'd turn back if I were ye. That's encouraging. I'd better not get any closer. Ah, Papa Pichu! That hurts. Hope they're not poisonous. I'd better not get any closer.
Nice little callback to Return to Monkey Island there.
This place doesn't like visitors.
Or not Return to Monkey Island, Curse of Monkey Island. And the native word for ouch.
I'm sure you'll be safe here.
Worry about your own skin, Threepwood. I have no skin.
Actually, no, before we explore, I'm kind of curious what Murray says at every place you can stop. Oh, well, we don't have Murray here to talk to.
Hey, Murray. This looks like a great place for you to spend the rest of your death.
Don't even think about it, you traitorous worm. Remember who got you the map.
How about if I bury you in the warm sand? You can have a nice, long rest.
I'll rest when I'm not dead, which is never.
Any words of advice, Murray?
Give up on the secret and take up knitting.
Any words of advice, Murray?
Give up on the secret and take up knitting.
And yeah, there's nothing here that has anything scribbled on it, so... Okay. Oh, and... to a slimy grotto, to a bizarre grove, so away from this creepy place to the rocky beach. Brave the dark twisted forest. Wait, observe the unique geology.
I'll make a note of this, so I can remember it in my nightmares.
Scrutinize the grasping natural
Did that
pillars.
just move? I thought I saw it move.
A splintered ship.
Rest in pieces.
Board my ship and get off this island. An unlucky place.
I'm sure I'm a more skilled survivalist and have nothing to worry about. I'll just keep telling myself that. This place gives me that lonely feeling. I'd rather keep moving along. This place gives me that lonely feeling. I'd rather keep moving along.
Back to the creepy forest. Slimy grotto. Icky moldy overhang.
It's like a slow crashing wave of spores. In all the worst places, there are mushrooms.
And yet, I can't pick up the mushrooms. Not that Guybrush would want to, but to a bizarre grove.
For a dead tree, it's a little too lively. Just a dead end. Sounds a little creepy if you think about it too much.
Mysterious clearing.
Ugh, looks like he had the wrong person watching his back. But I'm not sure I want to know what happened. Ugh, looks like he had the wrong person watching his back. What really bothers me is, why do these pirates look familiar? I'm not sure I want to know what happened here. I'll be fine as long as I don't lose my wits and keep my head. I'm not sure I want to know what happened here. I'll be fine as long as I don't lose my wits and keep my head. It's looking at me funny, and I don't trust it. It's an old oil lamp with a little lamp fuel inside. Looks like another greedy pirate who met a sordid fate. Yeah, this place gives me the creeps. Ugh, looks like he had the wrong person watching his back.
Twisting path. Giant mushroom.
It says XYZZY. I can't quite get it off of there. It's locked. I can't quite get it off of there. It's not lit, but it does have some lamp oil in it. Okay, it's lit.
Okay, that seems kind of familiar. XYZZY. I'm thinking of the Zort games all of a sudden.
I can't quite get it off of there. I've had it with locks.
Yeah, but thankfully...
The serial numbers have long since rusted away. This key doesn't fit.
Not surprising, but there was the hope.
XYZZY. Whatever it is, I don't think it wants me around. Whatever it is, I don't think it wants me around.
Let's see, Unlucky Place, Bizarre Grove, Slimy Grotto, Mysterious Clearing. Well, unfortunately, I think we've explored everything on the island, except for that locked gate that we can't get serial numbers for. So I'm going to go ahead and stop here, mull this over, try and remember why XYZZY sounds familiar, and I will see you all next time.